Insurance Sales 101, a comprehensive guide to launching a lucrative career in insurance sales. By Andrew L. Adler. Are you a people person with a knack for numbers? A career in insurance sales might be right up your alley. Insurance sales is all about building relationships. You'll be meeting with clients, finding out what they need, and recommending policies that will protect them in the event of an accident, illness, or other unforeseen circumstances. What you need to know before starting a career in insurance sales. A career in insurance sales is a great way to help people in your community and make a good living at the same time. But don't let the word sales fool you. This isn't your average pushy sales job. Insurance sales is more about educating people and providing them with solutions to their problems. You're not just selling a product, you're selling peace of mind. Types of a career in insurance sales. As I said, it's not like selling products. You're selling something much more personal and impactful. There's many kinds of insurance. I'm giving some examples here so you understand how this is not just sales, but much more. A career in life insurance sales. Life insurance is all about making sure your loved ones are taken care of if something happens to you. It's like a safety net for your family. There are two main types of life insurance: term life insurance, which is like renting an insurance policy for a set number of years; whole life insurance, which is like buying a policy for a lifetime. A career in health insurance sales. Health insurance is a no-brainer. You want to make sure you're covered if you get sick or hurt. You never know what life will throw at you. A career in homeowners insurance sales. Homeowners insurance, it's like a shield for your home. It protects you from the unexpected, natural disasters, fire, theft, and so on. A career in auto insurance sales. Auto insurance is like a seatbelt for your car. It's there to protect you in case of an accident. It usually includes liability coverage, which covers damages to another person's property or injuries they sustained in an accident that you're at fault for. It also includes collision coverage, which covers damages to your own vehicle, and comprehensive coverage, which covers non-collision damages such as theft or natural disasters. So, as you can see, insurance sales is all about making sure people have the protection they need, and as an insurance salesperson, it's your job to help them get it. It's a rewarding career, both financially and emotionally, and it's something to consider if you're looking for a career path with opportunities for growth and advancement. Main secret of a successful career in insurance sales. Building strong relationships with clients is the key to success. It's all about connecting with people on a personal level and understanding what they need. You see, when it comes to insurance, it's not just about selling a policy, it's about being a trusted advisor. You have to think of yourself as a guardian angel for your clients, someone who's got their back and makes sure they're covered no matter what. To be successful in this field, you need to be a people person. It's about listening more than talking, building trust and earning the client's confidence. It's important to understand your client's needs and concerns and tailor the policy to fit those needs. It's like a tailor making a suit, it has to fit just right. One of the best parts of this job is the feeling of satisfaction you get when you know you've helped someone protect what matters most to them. It's a good feeling when you know you've made a difference in someone's life. In short, building strong relationships with clients is the backbone of a successful career in insurance sales. It's about being a trusted advisor, a guardian angel, and being there for your clients when they need you the most. It's not just a job, you have to see it as a calling. The benefits of a career in insurance sales. First of all, the industry is huge. In the U.S., the insurance industry is $1 trillion industry and it's only getting bigger. That means there's always going to be a demand for qualified insurance professionals. It's a recession-proof industry, and it's not going anywhere. There's also a wide variety of career paths within the insurance industry. From sales to underwriting, claims to risk management, the opportunities are endless. As you gain experience and build a reputation, you can move up the ranks and take on more responsibility. The earning potential in insurance sales is pretty attractive. You'll be able to earn a good base salary plus commission on the policies you sell. And the sky's the limit when it comes to how much you can make. With hard work and dedication, you could be bringing home a six-figure salary in no time. But it's not all about the money. A career in insurance sales can be incredibly rewarding. You'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you're helping people protect their families and businesses. And you'll be doing it all while building your own successful career. Cons of a career in insurance sales. As an insurance salesperson, it's important to keep in mind that it's not all roses. There are a few cons to the job that you should be aware of before diving headfirst into the industry. First off, it can be a grind. This job is not for the faint of heart. It requires a lot of hustle and hard work. You're always on the go, whether you're meeting with new clients, following up with leads, or closing deals. It's not uncommon to work long hours and put in extra effort to make your sales goals. Secondly, rejection is a part of the game. Not every prospect is going to be ready to sign on the dotted line, and you've got to be able to take no for an answer and move on. It's not easy to hear no all the time, but it's something you've got to learn to deal with if you want to succeed in this field. Thirdly, the income can be variable. A lot of insurance sales jobs are commission-based, which means your income is directly tied to your sales. This can be a pro or a con depending on how you look at it, but it's worth noting that some months you may bring in a lot of cash, and other months you may not bring in as much. Lastly, it's a highly regulated industry. Insurance is a heavily regulated industry, and there are a lot of rules and regulations you have to abide by. It's important to stay up to date with the latest laws and regulations, and to make sure you're always following the rules to avoid any legal issues. It's worth remembering that like any profession, a career in insurance sales has its ups and downs, but with hard work, dedication, and the right attitude, you can make a success of it. How to start a career in insurance sales. Becoming an insurance salesperson is a great way to start a career in the insurance industry, but before you can start selling policies, you need to jump through a few hoops. It's not rocket science, but it does take a bit of elbow grease and gumption. First things first, you'll need to get licensed. Each state has its own requirements, so it's important to check with the state insurance department in the state where you plan to work to find out the most current requirements. But to give you an idea, here are some examples of what you might need to do to get licensed in some states across the U.S. In California, you'll need to pass a state-administered exam, complete 20 hours of pre-licensing education, and pass a background check. The background check includes fingerprinting and a check of your criminal and financial history. And the exam fee is $64. In Texas, you'll need to pass a state-administered exam, complete 30 hours of pre-licensing education, and pass a background check. The background check includes fingerprinting and a check of your criminal and financial history. And the exam fee is $64. In Florida, you'll need to pass a state-administered exam, complete 20 hours of pre-licensing education, and pass a background check. The background check includes fingerprinting and a check of your criminal and financial history. And the exam fee is $42. In New York, you'll need to pass a state-administered exam, complete 24 hours of pre-licensing education, and pass a background check. The background check includes fingerprinting and a check of your criminal and financial history. And the exam fee is $15. It's important to note that requirements may vary from state to state and can change over time, so it's a good idea to check with the state insurance department in the state where you plan to work to find out the most current requirements. Once you've got your license, you're ready to start building relationships with clients, and that's where the real magic happens. A career in insurance sales, a typical day. As an insurance salesperson, your typical day is all about building relationships and helping folks protect what matters most to them. It's a lot of legwork. If you know what I mean, you'll be always on the go, meeting with potential clients, giving presentations, and following up on leads. One of the most important skills for success in this line of work is being a people person. It's all about building trust with clients and being able to understand their needs. You also need to be a good listener and have strong communication skills, both verbal and written. Being organized and staying on top of things is also a must, as you'll be juggling multiple clients and tasks at once. Another important aspect of the job is staying current on industry trends and changes. The insurance world is always evolving, so it's important to be a constant learner and stay current on new products and regulations. This way, you can ensure you're offering the best options to your clients and keeping them protected. Overall, the day-to-day of an insurance salesperson is fast-paced, and it's important to have a can-do attitude and be willing to put in the work to build a successful career in the industry. The summary of it all. As an expert career counselor, I've helped many individuals navigate the ins and outs of this field, and I can attest to the fact that it takes a certain kind of individual to thrive in this line of work. A career in insurance sales is a great choice for those who are driven, outgoing, and have a knack for building relationships. It's not for the faint of heart, as there can be a lot of rejection and it's a fast-paced, always changing industry. But if you're up for a challenge and are willing to put in the work, the rewards can be great. You'll have the opportunity to help people protect their most important assets, and you can make a good living while doing it. It's not a 9-to-5 job, and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you're willing to roll up your sleeves and put in the time, you can make a killing in this line of work. At the end of the day, it's all about your hustle and determination. If you're willing to put in the work, the sky's the limit when it comes to a career in insurance sales. So all in all, if you're a people person who wants to make a difference in people's lives and can handle a little rejection, a career in insurance sales might just be the ticket for you.